Hello, you.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name's Dylan Bird.
Dylan, how nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from County Cavan in Ireland.
You nervous?
Yeah? It's my first time out the country.
Wow. OK, and how old are you?
I'm 16.
And do you think you can win the show?
Well, I'm going to give it my best shot.
Good. All right, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh.
Well done, Killer. We'll let you get your breath back and we'll go over to the judges. Amanda.
Oh, you did so well. You had so much energy and it really suits you having all those backing girl dancers. I think you did yourself and Ireland proud tonight, so well done.
Well, look, I'm not going to say you are the best dancer in the world because you're not, but I said there's a but. That means good news is coming. But I think you have so much fun, so much energy, and you enjoy it so much. I really like you. And I think somebody on this panel owes you quite a big apology. And do you know what? You know what you should have done? You should have put him in your video. And I'm being serious. I'm being absolutely serious. I think you should re-edit it. I do.
Maybe when Alesha's performing tonight, you'd like to come and sit in her chair. If you want a buzzer, go ahead.
Good idea.
it was terrific, and everywhere I go, people are asking about you, and that was a really, really terrific performance, and it's really infectious, your love of it. You're like a real-life Billy Elliot if Billy Elliot did hip-hop dancing. You are, and I really hope people get behind you tonight. You really deserve it.
Well, there is definitely a lot of love out there for you because after your audition, I got so much abuse on Twitter. So people absolutely love you, and you know what? I admire you, and it takes a lot of bravery for you to do what you did. And you're saying to a lot of people out there, if you've got a passion and you've got a dream, just go for it. So I love you for that, Dylan. Good for you.